So you've just set up your ASUS ProArt Z790 Creator Wi-Fi computer on a Windows 11 Pro or perhaps on a Windows 11. You go into Device Manager and you have this driver issue under the USB controller. This is actually a Thunderbolt problem. The reason it shows up as USB is because the Thunderbolt shares its plug with the USB-C type plug on your computer. Likely the Armory crate did not work, and you go to the website to manually download your drivers. So you've got your chipset drivers, and here is the Thunderbolt. You get the latest version and you click download. It says here Windows 11 64-bit. This is a Windows 11 Pro 64-bit. It is the current up-to-date version of Windows, so this should work, right? You go to the downloads folder, you extract the driver, and then you try to install the driver. And then you get this message: does not support this operating system. Very poor ASUS. The official latest driver for Windows 11 does not work on Windows 11. So now we need to have a workaround. What you will have to do is open Device Manager. In my case, the problem's already resolved, so I will have to explain it to you. This is an image of the problem. You right click here, you go on Properties. In the Properties you click Update Driver, and then I will just explain this with something else since I don't have this one anymore. If you right click Properties and you click on Update Drivers, which will be here in your case, you get these two options: search automatically for driver, which is what I did here, and you will get this failure message that it did not find the driver, which is why we're having the problem. So instead you will click on Browse My Computer for driver, and then you will open the Browse for Folder window. You go to your download where you have your driver, locate the folder, and then you click OK. And then this way you are bypassing the installer, which is having an issue with Windows 11 for some reason, and then it will manually install and the problem should be resolved.